In front of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just go into Play Store and type in Magic Fluids in the search bar. Then you need to install this free app, this one from Mad Scientist Developer, and tap on Open. Finally, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now just I accept in this pop-up, and finally adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're finished, you can click on the top right corner and finally bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by choosing one of those options over here. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!